To open up the lesson tutorials in Big Ideas, if you go to Google Classroom, click on your hour. Under hour, click on classwork, and at the top of classwork is a link to Big Ideas. When you click on the link to Big Ideas, it will take you to Clever. This is the login to most applications that we use in 6th grade. You can then click on Big Ideas Learning, and that will take you to your math platform. In the top right is what we call the 3 lines or the pancakes. When you click on that, you can click on the Dynamic Student Edition, and that will take you to the videos for the lessons. On the left side, there is an open book menu. If you click on that and click back, you can see all of the chapters. When you click on a chapter, you can see the section numbers. So if you go to chapter 2 and click on section 2.1 and start with the lessons. These are the lessons that go along with your chapter notes that I have created for you. If you click the play, that will play a video of the lesson. When you click the next arrow on the right side, it will take you through the lesson. You can do the try-its. When you do the try-its, which are also on your notes, you can enter the answer here. So for example, 1/3 times 1/5, we would multiply straight across. You would use the fraction button over here. We have 1 on top because 1 times 1 is 1. 3 times 5 is 15. You can click on check down here to check your work. You can also click the help button for additional help. Once you get through the lesson, you'll know when you are done. It will take you all the way through all of the examples. These should all go along with your notes that I gave you at the beginning of the chapter. There are some extra practice with some self-assessments for problem solving that you can do if you need help or you just want to do some extra practice on a lesson. To get back to your main screen, you can click the pancakes up in the top right, click on your dashboard, and that will take you to your main screen.